Behold, this is the elevator at the Ocean's Edge condominium in Ocean City, Maryland. Someone else vacated this elevator before, and it's Otis. That's sort of like this lantern. Go to 5. Door closes when I push the button. This is motor. 2. 3. 4. 5. I don't like all this serious one so much. Yep, there's the American One Resort Condo where I videotaped that. And there's 11 Edgemont. Right over there. And over there is the Paradise Plaza. In. We're gonna go back down anyway. Now, come on. Well, alright. And there's the Americana Hotel over there too, where I used to videotape at. Yeah. I sure love the view so much. Phew. Is it me or it's getting hot? Oh my goodness. Phew, it's hot. I don't know why I like Otis so much. I mean, Otis could be the only brand available. I think Dan Allen did take this elevator before, yeah. Don't have to think of it. Here we go. Inside. Let's do a cabin with this thing. Nice cabins. Yee. What was that little thing? This is a nice cab. I sure kind of love this cab so much. No certificate, but oh right, the phone. Here's a merciful button here. Capacity 300 pounds. 3. 2. Here, G.